Alright, welcome to SouFLoTV again, everybody. It's your host with the most. I have a video here for you to watch. Some parts of this video is quite shocking. It's nothing derogatory. It's something anybody can watch. Have your children watch it. They might learn something.
And we've been documenting. I've basically just been posing as a tourist, and I didn't need to walk far. I just walked outside the Hilton Hotel, and on my first night here was offered girls 13 and 14 years old. I have been offered girls as young as 12, and we have also been documenting girls who are Jamaican girls who are taken from Jamaica to other countries for their sexual slavery, basically. So again, we're getting all this information together. We don't intend to embarrass anyone. We want to give it to Victor and to your team so you can follow up on it. But tonight we just wanted, because this was, because we were here and because we had a good relationship with Victor, we really wanted to act rather than just give you the information and then, you know, maybe weeks or months later you had the opportunity. We thought, while we're here and while I'm here and I still have the relationship with these criminals, suspects, that we invite you to seize the opportunity when they bring these girls. And you're 15. You look younger, like 13, 14.
Yeah, man. She had 13 plus, man. She's 13 plus.
You're 15?
No, she not reached 15 yet. She had 13 plus.
How old are you really?
Soon 14. September I'm 14.
Oh, September you're 14.
Yeah.
Great. So you're 13 right now. When's your birthday?
September.
Yeah. What day?
26.
26 September. You'll be. Wow, that's great. So you're still in school right now.
Yeah.
What school do you go to?
Concord.
You're happy to have sex with me? Is that okay? And I give to you 300. Okay. And I'm giving Tony 100 US for introducing you.
Okay.
And Sasha to me. So again, is there a problem with your mother? Does she know? Did you tell her today?
No. But just like this now, I don't let you know nothing because I can get her out her house whenever time I'm ready, okay?
Alright, so let's take a quick 30 seconds break to reflect on what this man just said. Did you hear what he just said? He said he can get her out of her house at any time because her mother trusts him. Her mother is his sister. So you see, when I tell you don't trust anyone around your children, and I mean anyone. Alright, back to the program.
Oh, you can?
Yeah, I can.
Why? Does her mother...
Yeah, she trusts me.
She trusts you?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you her sister, her brother?
Yeah.
Or her husband's?
No, man, I'm her brother.
You're her brother. Okay. So will you give her any of the money, or you just keep? So 100, 200, 300 for you, and 100 US for yes. Well, I wouldn't be able to have sex with this beautiful girl if it wasn't for you two. So thank you very much. All right. Let me just go and get my money for 500 for you. Sasha, come on, man. Come on the other room here.
Put your hand behind your head, son.
Sit on the bed, Sasha. Okay, first of all, I want to tell you, you're not in trouble, okay? You're not in trouble. These are policemen, and what your uncle is doing is wrong, okay? He should not be selling you to me, and it's not your fault. Your uncle, he's an adult. And he should be looking after you, not selling you to Western men like me. This lady's name is Jan. This is Sasha, and she is here just to make sure that you're okay. And she will take care of you. We want to communicate to your uncle and to Tony that young girls like you who are 13 should not be sold so that they can make some money. I'm sorry I had to lie to you about what I was doing here, but we do this work because we want to help girls like you so that you don't have to be sold like a slave.
take him home.
Alright, so luckily for this little girl at that time, she was not made to go all the way through. But can you imagine if that man was not working undercover? And can you imagine how many times she has done that before? She's only 13 years old. We've done videos on the channel before where we talked about our children and how damaged the children are in Jamaica, especially the little girls. They're damaged, they're desensitized. It's no surprise to see them with big grown men doing adult and explicit things, right? And these are the reasons why. This child is damaged, I would say damaged beyond repair, because there's no way to undo this type of thing right here. Leave your comment in the comment section below. Let me hear what you think about this one. And very much thanks to the individual who flew into the country and took this upon his own interest to have this done. Whether there was an ulterior motive or not, I don't know. I'm out. Peace.